Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English conversation practice. Today we have Paul and Emily joining us for a simple and engaging chat. Listen carefully and try to understand the questions and answers. Let's begin.
Hi, Emily. How are you doing today?
Hi, Paul. I'm doing really well, thank you. How about you? Everything good?
I'm doing great too. Thanks for asking. So, Emily, let's start with some basics. Where are you from?
I'm from England, and I live in the wonderful city of London.
Ah, lovely. And how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 20 years old. How about you, Paul? What's your age?
I'm 22, so just a little older. And what do you do, Emily? Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. And actually, I'm also a teacher.
Wow, that's really cool. A student and a teacher. You must be very busy. Do you like your job as a teacher?
Yes, I absolutely love my work. It's very rewarding.
That's fantastic to hear. Let's talk about your day. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Pretty early, right?
Not too bad. And what do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. It's a quick and easy start to the day. And of course, I drink tea.
Classic. So, after breakfast, what time do you head off to work? And how do you get there?
I go to work at 9 o'clock. I usually travel by bus.
And after a busy day, what do you do when you come home from work? How do you relax?
After work, I like to watch TV. It helps me unwind.
Do you usually sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep very well. I try to get enough rest.
That's important. Now, about your food preferences, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I also really like rice.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables every day? They're so important for health.
Yes, I eat fruits and vegetables every day. My favorite fruits are apples and bananas.
Good for you. Do you like spicy food?
No, I do not like spicy food at all. My taste buds prefer milder flavors.
I can understand that. What about drinks? What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice. And I drink water every day. It's essential.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about your family. Do you have a big family?
There are 4 people in my family: my father, mother, brother, and me. I love my family very much.
That's lovely. Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, I visit them on weekends. It's always nice to spend time with them.
And do you have many friends, Emily?
Yes, I have many friends. My best friend is Sarah. She's great.
That's wonderful to hear. Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school. My school's name is Green School.
And what's your favorite subject there?
My favorite subject is English. I also like math.
That's great. Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I have homework every day. It keeps me busy.
I'm sure it does. Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading. I especially like storybooks.
That's a fantastic hobby. Do you also write in English?
Yes, I write in English. It helps me practice my language skills.
That's smart. Do you learn things fast?
Yes, I learn fast. I pick things up quickly.
Do you have a good teacher?
Yes, I have a good teacher. She's very helpful.
That makes all the difference. Do you play games in your free time?
Yes, I play games. I enjoy football and basketball, and I also like swimming.
Sounds like you're quite active. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing. It's a lot of fun.
And what about painting? Are you artistic?
Yes, I like painting. I enjoy expressing myself creatively.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking. I find it relaxing.
That's a great skill. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like gardening. It's nice to be outdoors.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like running. It keeps me fit.
So, Emily, do you feel healthy and strong generally?
Yes, I am healthy and I feel strong.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well. Sleep is very important.
Indeed, it is. Do you feel happy most of the time?
Yes, I am happy. I try to focus on positive things.
That's a wonderful attitude. Do you ever feel sad or tired?
Sometimes I am sad or tired, but that's normal, right? We all have those days.
Absolutely. Do you ever get angry?
No, I am not angry. I try to stay calm.
Good for you. Do you ever feel hungry or thirsty?
Yes, I am hungry sometimes, and yes, I am thirsty sometimes. My body tells me what it needs.
That's a perfect way to look at it. Do you use a phone and the internet regularly?
Yes, I have a phone and I use the internet every day. I send messages, take photos, and watch videos on YouTube. I also love to learn English online.
That's great for practicing your English. Do you watch the news?
Yes, I watch the news. It's important to stay informed.
Do you talk to your friends often?
Yes, I talk to friends every day. Social connection is key.
I completely agree. One last question. Do you enjoy your life, Emily?
Yes, I enjoy my life very much. I'm grateful for everything.